Hello, welcome to this video. This is the third lesson on sector. So this is our lesson 3 on sector. And in this lesson, I want to talk about the area of the angle of a sector. Introduction. The angle of a sector is the distance in degree between the two radii of a sector. So if you know a sector, you know that a sector has two radii. That is, this is one radii and this is the second radii. And then the angle between this radii is what is known as the angle of a sector. So if you extract this out, we are going to have something like this. This is the radius, and then this is the angle that we are talking about. This is the angle of a sector of a circle. So let us derive a formula for finding the angle of a sector. So we from the formula can be derived from the area of a sector. Area of a sector is given as theta over 360 multiplied by pi r square, and then this can also be written as theta pi r square over 360 degree, and then we are going to cross multiply this. So since we are trying to make this angle the sort of the formula, we are going to multiply this one. That's going to give us theta pi r square is equals to area times 360. That is area times 360. Now to get this theta, now I'm going to divide both sides by pi r square. So you divide here by pi r square and divide here by pi r square. So pi r square take away pi r square. So we are left with theta is equals to area times 360 over pi r square. So this is how to calculate the angle of the sector of a circle. Now we're going to apply this formula now to solve two examples on the sector of a sector. Let us find solve two problems on calculating the angle of a sector. Number one problem says a sector of a circle has an area of 55 centimeters square. If the radius of the circle is 10 cm, calculate the angle of the sector. Use pi 22/7, and this is a JAMB question. So we're going to solve this problem right now. First of all, let us highlight the parameters we can see in this problem. We see that the area of the sector is 55 cm square, and then the pi, as we see, is 22/7, and our radius is given as 10 cm. Now, having done that, we're going to calculate the theta, which is our angle of a sector. Is going to be what? Angle is going to be area times 360 over pi r square. And let us solve this now. Our area here is 55. That is going to be 55 centimeters square times 360, everything divided by pi. Our pi is 22/7 times the radius square, that is 10 square. That is 10 square is 100 centimeters square. So we are going to take this 7, multiply this 7 by the numerator. So it's going to become 55 cm square times 360 times 7 all over 22 times 100 centimeter square. Now we are going to simplify this now. Of course, 0, take this 0, and then 11 can go into this place. 11 in 22 give us 2, and 11 in 55 give us 5, and 2 can go into 36. 2 here is 1. 2 in 36 give us 18, and 5 can go into 10. 5 into 5 is 1. 5 in 10 is 5. So we are now having we are left with our angle is equals to 18 times, that is 18 cm square times 7 all over 5. So by the time we solve this, we are going to, if you multiply this by this and you divide it by this 5, we are finally going to arrive at 63 degree. 63 degrees. So the angle of that sector is 63 degree. So we are going to solve the next question now, that says what angle is subtended by a sector of radius what angle is subtended by a sector of radius 12 cm if the area of the sector is 352 centimeters square? Take pi as 3.142. So our area here is 352 cm square. Our pi is 3.142, and our radius is given as 12 centimeter. So we are going to calculate the angle, which is what? The formula for the angle is area times 360 multiplied by pi r square. So our angle here is A, which is 352 centimeter square multiplied by 360 over the pi is 3.142 times the radius, which is 12 radius square, that is 12 centimeters square, which is going to give us a 144 centimeters square. Of course, cm go with cm, and then if you multiply this multiplied by this, going to give us 12 126,720 degree all over, because here is degree, all over 452.448. If you multiply this by this, it's going to give us 452.448. So by the time we divide this, we are going to have a 280 degree as the angle subtended by the sector of area of radius 12 cm. So thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to this channel for further video, and as you do so, God bless you.